All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Welcome back to Brainy Bites tutorial. Okay, in this channel, we'll talk about things that concerns JAMB, admission, WAEC, and NECO. So, if you are one of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that when I upload any amazing video, just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. Okay, so if you notice, our topic of today is Uniport 2024 pre-degree form. All right, so in today's topic, I'm going to talk about everything you need to know about pre-degree. I will be breaking it down step by step, all right, so that you will understand everything you need to know about pre-degree. Because some persons, I've seen a case like some persons told me that had even I know all about pre-degree, I wouldn't have gone for that. All right, I will still give you advice at the end. All right, so it is important for you to stay from the beginning of this video to the very last side of this video so that you will understand everything. So we're going to talk about everything you need to know about pre-degree. We're going to talk about the advantages of pre-degree. All right, so there's some other of my candidates always ask me a question. I know after watching this video you want to be like, does pre-degree guarantees admission? So we'll find out here in this video if pre-degree program guarantees admission. All right, so before I get right to the video, I have one thing for you. We have a WhatsApp community, okay? It is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. All right, so of course you yourself can become one of us. The only way you can become one of us, so let me know in the comment section that you want to join. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number, then you message me on WhatsApp. After getting to know you, I will definitely have to add you on our WhatsApp community. All right, so there in our WhatsApp community, you have access to WAEC, the ongoing WAEC answers, right, free of charge. You have access to the forthcoming NECO answers also. All right, so and you also have access to pass your school's post-UTME past questions, right, and answers, updated one. If it's a school that conducts post-UTME, you have access to post-UTME past questions and answers. All right, so that's basically what we'll do for you, and there you can still interact with your fellow candidates. All right, so for our 2024 candidate that will be admitted, we are hosting a program next year that will help them financially, because you and I know that the money that your parents will be giving to you will not be enough in school, right? So that's the reason why we are preparing a program next year that will help you financially. Okay, so it's important for you to become one of our members, right? The only way to become one of our members is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's get right to the video. All right, so if you ask me, everything I'm saying about this pre-degree, it is based on our own observation. All right, so after watching this video, if you have any further thing you feel like maybe you want to add to what I have said so far, so you can also let me know in the comment section, because me myself, I equally want to learn from you guys. So if there is a team, maybe if you are somebody that have done pre-degree before and you have the knowledge more than I do, so you also let me know in the comment section, all right, what you think about the video. All right, so because my own knowledge is not enough for me, right? So I still want to learn from you guys. All right, so first of all, if you ask me about pre-degree, I want to tell you that a pre-degree program is basically a one-year academic reminder type program. Okay, it is organized by so many various Nigerian institutions. Okay, so that program is a program that prepares students for admission. All right, so it is a program that prepares students for admission for 1 year 100 level admission. All right, that's what pre-degree does. All right, so it's just like you are going to lesson, and the schools they are the one preparing you ahead of the task. All right, which is um yeah, ahead of the task. Okay, so that's basically how what pre-degree program is. Okay, it's a 1 year program, 1 year academic session program. Okay, so I know you guys will be like what is the advantages of pre-degree? Because I believe everything that has advantage, you also have disadvantage. So we also have disadvantage of pre-degree, and we also have the advantages. So if you ask me about the advantages, just like what I have told you guys before, that everything I'm saying in this video is basically based on our own observation. All right, so if you have any further thing that feels like you want to add, then you can also let us know on the comment section. All right, so we will appreciate that. All right, and don't forget that if you get any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all bell notification, because I'm answering so many questions, because I have promised all my subscribers that whatever question I receive from my candidate, I will definitely come here to answer all of the questions. So some persons are asking, what are the pre-degree, what are the advantages of pre-degree? Okay, so if you ask us the advantage of pre-degree program, I want to tell you that it gives you access to a full degree program that you previously couldn't qualify for. All right, because why I say that you previously couldn't qualify for is that people that wants pre-degree maybe is actually the people that maybe that didn't do well in their JAMB UTME examination, or people that they feels like, I don't, let me just have a brief knowledge about the program I'm going in for. All right, so that is basically people that wants degree. So that's the reason why I say that it gives you access to a full degree program that you previously couldn't qualify for. All right, so let's assume that you bought pre-degree form, or you purchased pre-degree form to 2024-2025 academic session. Then you will definitely have to start school this year, and when you start school this year, those persons that road jump, maybe that did not qualify for admission, maybe let's assume that, let's use mass communication for example, or okay, let's use medicine or nursing for example. Okay, you bought pre-degree form for nursing and you have been admitted. All right, so and some of your friends road jam this year and did not get admission into nursing. All right, so they still want to try again next year, which is 2025, and you yourself, you have gotten admission in pre-degree. All right, you have started the program ahead of them. All right, you have, and most of those lecturers that takes pre-degree program are also the lecturers that you are still going to meet in your year one. All right, so that's just basically the advantage of it. All right, so it will give you the full degree program access. All right, so that you ordinarily you couldn't qualify for it, so and now it has given you the program. All right, so that one now will make you, that it will help you to stand out. All right, because it will explain everything that you need to know. All right, so that before you get to that station, that before you get to your year one, at least you're already used to all of those things. You understand? So that's basically the advantage. Okay, so people will also ask, does pre-degree guarantees admission? That's another question they will ask. Does pre-degree guarantees admission? And some other persons will say, I've heard about people saying, you have been writing JAMB for a very long time now and you are not getting admission. So what you will do is that go and buy pre-degree form. You will gain admission. Go and buy the pre-degree form, you gain admission. Now let me explain things here that you need to know. So as long as you're a member of our platform, or as long as you're a member of this Brainy Bites channel, you have subscribed and turn on all bell notification, I promise you guys that you will not, all of these questions and all of these things, I'm going to break it down in a way you will understand. So if any other question that you have, this is somebody that asked for this, so any other question that you have, also let me know in the comment section. I'll answer all of the questions. All right, so I'll do a video answering all of those questions. All right, so anything that concerns your admission, we are here to help you to succeed. All right, so pre-degree program does not guarantee you 100% admission. Listen to what I'm saying, please. Pre-degree program does not guarantee you 100% admission. As you all know, my followers always know that when I want to talk about something, I always give my facts, I always give my reasons for that. All right, so the reason why I say that it does not guarantees you 100% admission is because pre-degree, you will write pre-degree form as a pre-degree you write pre-degree examination, final examination as a second as a pre-degree candidate. You write the exam. All right, so after writing the exam, you also have to sit for JAMB. You also have to sit for JAMB in that year. Let's assume that you bought pre-degree form for 2024. Now you are going into 2025. Now you will still have to register for another JAMB in 2025. and you will still have to sit for the exam in 2025, and you will still have to meet the JAMB national cutoff mark requirement. Let's assume that national cutoff mark for JAMB is 170 for the year, or 150 for the year, or 140, depends, I don't know. So you will still have to meet that cutoff mark for that year. So people will ask another question: what if you don't meet that cutoff mark and you pass the pre-degree examination? Now the question is, if you don't meet that cutoff mark and you pass pre-degree examination, there is no way you are still going to be admitted into the school's full degree program. They will not admit you. And of course, you know that pre-degree is 1 year and 1 year. So that means after that your 1 year is a whole waste of money. If you don't pass the exam, is a whole waste of money. All right, because you definitely have to pay for pre-degree school fees, and their school fees is not small. It's not ₦1. It's not like you just, let's use University of Port Harcourt for example. Their school fees is up to 100 and something thousand for that 1 year. All right, so it's up to 100 and something thousand. So you definitely have to pay for that school fees, and it's just like you wait. If you didn't get it, it just like you have wasted your 100,000, your 1 year, your 1 year, and your effort and everything. That's it. And now when you pass the exam, when you pass the pre-degree exam, you meet the JAMB cutoff mark. Now this is where your chances come, because when they want to admit candidates, they will first of all consider those their pre-degree candidates first. Right, they will definitely have to give you admission if you meet the JAMB criteria, which is the national cutoff mark, and you meet what is it called, and you meet this institution's cutoff mark. So they will still have to admit you. Right, so this is the JAMB and this is the institution. So if you meet the both criteria, definitely admission, that's the next thing that awaits you. All right, so they will definitely have to admit you, because once they want, anytime if they want to compile their list for admission, they will look for those candidates, those their pre-degree candidates first. Right, they have a special consideration for them. The reason why they have special consideration for them is because they have wasted their 1 year there with them, and they have also paid their school fees there with them. They have that one. So now you have sat for the UTME exam, you met the national cutoff mark. Now you have also sat for their what's it called, their final examination, and you passed. So there's no way they won't consider you. So the consideration is there. 80% they will consider you. All right, so that's basically how it is. All right, so consideration is there. They will consider you and you'll be admitted if only you pass the cutoff mark for JAMB and you pass their examination. All right, so now I know that you guys will be asking me, what do I suggest? All right, what do I suggest? This is my own suggestion. All right, and giving you a suggestion does not mean that you should go and do what I said. No, giving you a suggestion is just like giving you a clue. Then if you have something, maybe you can add to your own, or you use that thing to get how will I even actually put it? All right, so my suggestion does not mean that you should 100% go and follow what I said. No, but I will give you a right suggestion. All right, so my suggestion to pre-degree candidates is, if you know your capability, if you know, of course, you know yourself, you know what you are capable of, you know what you can do. All right, so if you know that when you go to school for pre-degree, when you go school, you're not going there to catch cruise, you are not going there to play, you are not going there to play. All right, so you are going there to learn. Of course, they will teach you. You are going there to learn and fulfill everything there. It is better you buy pre-degree form. All right, so if you buy you can buy pre-degree form. All right, so and you know that while you are learning there, you also preparing for your JAMB, because definitely you have to sit for JAMB. So you're also preparing for your JAMB. So while you are learning there, you prepare yourself for your JAMB. If you know you are good, you are going to meet JAMB cutoff mark, you are going to pass their exam, please, you can buy the form. All right, but if you know that you don't know the chances of you getting the JAMB and the pre-degree, please do not go there to waste your 1 year, because it's totally a waste. You are wasting your 1 year and you are wasting your resources. All right, it's totally a waste. Instead, whatever jam score you have, let me know. All right, message me, there's a way out for it. All right, so instead of you going to buy pre-degree form, at the end of the day they will just kick you out, because definitely they will kick you out, and that's not what you want. They will kick you out and it's not what you want. All right, so you let me know in the comment section that you want to message me on WhatsApp, then I will give you my WhatsApp number. There on my WhatsApp you can tell me all of those things. All right, so we can help you. All right, so that's basically the advice I have for pre-degree. So people will be asking, where will I get the form, where can I get the form, and when is the form coming out? All right, so the form will be out for Uniport pre-degree candidates soon. All right, so if you want to get the form, you want to buy the form, all right, so you let me know in the comment section that you want to join my platform there, or you let me know in the comment section for you request for my number in the comment section. All right, I'll be ready to give you my number. Then after getting to know you, I'll definitely have to add you to our platform. All right, so you will get, I said, the form once it's out. All right, you don't necessarily need to go to school. All right, I'll do everything and process everything and document it to you. All right, so that's basically how it is. All right, so we are here to help you. So don't forget, if you have any further thing that concerns your school, you have any further thing that concerns your admission, anywhere you're having issues at all. All right, so this is where I'll be ending this video for today. So I love you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have anything. Please, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on all notifications, because we are uploading videos on daily basis on YouTube. All right, I love you guys. Keep winning.